Okay, if you have one of these Hyundais 2006 to 2011, or maybe other Hyundais that have this code P2422, the very first thing you want to check if you have your gas cap tight enough, and if that's not the problem. So the second thing would be to check this vapor canister purge solenoid, which is in the engine part. If you have this car is V6, so it's right on top. If you remove the engine cover, it will be right there, and that thing gets stuck and you'll have poor gas mileage because of this. So pretty easy to replace this one. So this is another thing, vapor canister vent solenoid. That's what a lot of people check before going to the first that I showed you part. And you have to basically remove the tire, remove the cover above the tire, and it's right where the gas filler nozzle is. So it's pretty much sits over the tire, and there are a few like screws that you need to remove the cover to get access to that part, and I'm showing you here how to do that. We have this bolt right here we have to remove, so this whole thing becomes loose. You have to disconnect that. But let's remove this right there, and then unclip this power plug right there. So now we have to remove this right there so we can put the new one on. And looks like this part that is short one that's just open, looks like on mine it's just zip tied, so I'm gonna cut it and then do the same thing for the new one. So it's pretty easy. This is my old one, this is the new one I got. So there it is, the new one is on, and now we are going to plug in the power cord right there and then mount it on that one bolt. And if these two things do not help in your case, it could be the fuel pump cracked somewhere on top, because that's the most common thing. So you have to remove your mat in your trunk and you will get access to your fuel pump. And I did not show it here, but that's the last thing to check. If there's any crack, that could be causing your check engine light to come on. So the check engine light is still on, but the step would be basically to reset it with a code reader, or just drive around for quite some time, maybe 10-15 minutes, and see if it disappears.